Greetings, my dear friends. I am Mathanmi Hungyo, Director and Founder of RREA and Teach for Northeast. Today I take this opportunity and this platform to share some of my views and some important things as our whole tribe, as a collective tribe of Nagas, awaits the presidential debate, awaits the president for the Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong, which is the highest student apex body of our tribe. This present time has allowed us to reflect on the need for strong leadership, someone who can anchor us in these uncertain times, someone who will work that no child is left behind to get access to quality education, irrespective of the backgrounds. Today, it is also a historic moment as we have the first lady presidential candidate to ever contest in this election. Our history, struggles, and resilience have defined its progressive outlook in the face of multiple challenges. Our woman has been known for their courage, skill, and participation in significant political, social, and economical decisions. However, there is also an alarming gap in the leadership of our tribes and our region today, implications of which can be seen in multiple ways, such as underrepresentation. There are thousands of young girls in different regions and in our tribe who find it difficult to imagine themselves having a voice, an important, loud, and resounding voice in a room full of men and powerful men. So whether you win or lose, this has given hope to me and hope to many of the coming times. My dear candidates, whoever wins come November last week, our goal and vision cannot falter. Our collective vision is to give dignity, justice, and to empower the weakest and the most powerful. Our priorities should be that someone from Phungta, someone from Lahauram, someone from Kalhang, someone from Skip, someone from Tuinem, someone from Sorbung, as well as the other 265 villages should feel and be a part of this vision as we move together. I believe that we all have to make small sustainable changes wherever we are, in whatever capacity we are in, irrespective of whether we win the election or not. And finally, the world and our region right now and our leaders right now needs compassion, love, and empathy to go side by side with us as we prepare the roadmap for the development of our students and our region, without which I believe everything becomes meaningless. So all the very best for the presidential debate and for the election, and I believe we all can collectively work towards bringing quality education with love, care, and compassion. Thank you.